Hey ladies, so today I am going to be showing you how to get this half up, half down style in less than 10 minutes using hair pieces and clip-ins. Alright, so we want to start by sectioning your hair off into two sections, part behind the ear, clip the back up, and prepare your ponytail. Alright, so I'm using jam and a bristle brush. And I use 2 hair ties. My hair is natural. I just smoothed it out for this video, but I just feel like 2 hair ties is the ultimate security. So I suggest using at least 2 hair ties at all times. Alright? Okay. So we got our ponytail secure. Okay. It's all sleek. Now the happy hair dance. Cause what? We about to get some clip-ins. We about to get some hair. Yeah. No, but seriously, you guys are gonna love how quick and easy this style is. So I am using 4 wefts of clip-ins. Now don't ask me what hair this is because I don't forgot. But I will tell you on the first weft, starting from the bottom up, the bottom weft will have 2 clips. The second weft will have 3 clips. The third weft will have 4 clips. And the last weft will have 3 clips. Okay? Now, for those of you with fine hair, you can always tease your hair at the root like this to provide cushion for the clip so it doesn't slide. Now that we've got our clip-ins in, it's time to put our ponytail in. Now, I'm using a ponytail from Hairdo. It's a wraparound pony, which is one of my all-time favorite ponytails because it's so easy to use. So it has this little comb in it, and you just put the comb in there, and then you use this additional piece right here, and you just wrap it around, and it gives you that finished ponytail look. So I need to show you this comb. So you see this comb? I'm just going to simply insert this comb into my ponytail like so. Very simple. And then just wrap that additional piece of hair around the ponytail. I usually secure it with a bobby pin, and it does come with a bobby pin for you to secure it with. However, I don't have one for this video, so I am going to just tuck it in and go. Alright, this is our finished look, ladies, and I love it. As you can see, it only took us like less than 10 minutes, like I said. But you can either wear it down like this and let it swing, or I am going to show you another way that you can rock this hair out, okay? Without further ado, yes, the bun. So you can wear this style with a high bun and it still looks amazing. Or, I like it down and loose, so I'm gonna wear mine down. But if it's your prerogative, by all means, girl, you rock that bun. But thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. And I hope you enjoyed this. It took me less than 10 minutes to do my hair look.